storm came through.
Yeah. Thunder lifted me out of my bed. Scared the crap out of me.
Oh, yes it did. It was about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Thunderstorm come whipping through and pouring rain. But today's better. Supposed to be in the 80s. We got a late stop. I was looking up where the Allegheny River starts. That'll have to be another trip. That's like over 2.5 hours away. It's gonna be another trip.
We have all the time in the world to do that.
Seems to be a pretty history to it. Starts out a little stream about, I don't know, a couple feet wide. If you watch some of our videos, we've been over to Allegheny and how wide it is. So, we don't know where we're going. Stay tuned. I'm sure it's going to be a good day. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Well, with the rain we had last night, I couldn't cut the grass, so what's the next best thing? Go for a ride.
Maybe later.
Well, we got squishy grass. You walk on the lawn, it's like squishy. Woo! It's a little breezy.
Yeah.
We're on sandy, flat road. Just a little bit of view. Woo. It's a little breezy today. I should say a lot breezy today.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to be a long ride.
No.
Oh, we're gonna...
In the meadow.
We'll have to see where this road takes us. We've never been on this road before. So we're winging / exploring Western PA.
Yeah.
Look at this, over to behind this.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
It's like a pond in your farm field.
Pretty cool. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, we've been on this, running this road. It goes from tar to dirt for 100 feet, then it goes back to tar, then another 100 feet goes back to dirt. It's like crazy. So this road will bring us to Orlean Trail. Keep watching. Wow, we found the road with a yellow line down the middle. This is Forest Drive. That was interesting. The way they have the roads paved, not paved, paved, not paved. What a fancy house. Out in the boonies. Oh, we've seen one deer already, one doe.
Couple of them.
Couple of them.
Yep. I think we were actually heading out towards the road, but we skipped.
As long as they stay off the road. Very good. We just had to stop and look at,
This.
yes.
It's wow.
Woo-wee.
It's like a church over there in the distance.
Yep. Some of the roads we had to take to get here.
Yeah.
Well, I don't mind if they're sort of dirt and they're well maintained, like we've been on.
Yeah.
Yeah, today we're just picking a road and left to right or straight when we come to an intersection. This is a cool road.
Yeah.
Wow. Should have turned it on earlier. All the turns and
Probably state game land.
yeah. We've seen a couple little deer
Laying on the side of the road.
and
Alive.
yeah, sunning themselves.
Yeah. Eating their feet. Wow.
And we're climbing, we're climbing. Wrigley Road or Bigley Road?
Bigley? B-I-G.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. We're up.
We're climbing. This is what we do best, explore. So keep watching. You don't want to miss any of our adventures. We're on Breezemont Road. We just crossed over Route 36. We're near Cook's Forest somewhere. Enjoying the day. Living the dream.
That's right.
Woo! I got my heart's for you to also be.
I thought you were going to say something else.
It's a family show. We're in Cook State Forest. And this road, those signs at the beginning, enter at own risk.
Yeah.
No winter maintenance.
Maintenance.
Same thing.
We're from Massachusetts. Maintenance.
Maintenance.
It's green.
Yeah. That's not too bad.
He said it wasn't too bad, so that means it's going to get bad.
Oh, no. We've been on worse. Where I wouldn't even dare, so we had to turn around in the middle of the woods. Yeah, that's some of the bad ones. Like I wouldn't even taken a four-wheel ATV down the road, it was that bad. Look at this. Whoa. We'll go slow.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Rocks, trees growing out of rocks. Now this is what I consider bare rock. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Lots of rocks. Big pine trees.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty. I said
I
that
just
bad
poked him in the
word.
side. I poked him in the side, that's why he said that.
Stay tuned for more. This is all part of Cook's Forest. This is Route 36, I believe. Just enjoyable riding through here. The scenery is awesome.
What was that again?
scenery is awesome. Oh, we go to the fun part. Except for right turns. I guess we go this way.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is where the fire tower is.
Ooh, fire tower. We're gonna go climb the fire tower.
No, we're not.
I guess we're not. Now we're on 36. It's so beautiful out here. Aren't you glad you came along? Home, sweet home. I had to fix the GoPro because it froze on me. So we made sure we had to fix it before we came to home, sweet home. Well, thanks for coming along with us. We had a nice little ride. We'll catch you on the next one. I hope you're... Do I get a headlight out? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
No!
Again?
Okay.